In today's video, I am going to teach you how to copy Figma designs to Webflow seamlessly. Whether you're a designer looking to streamline your workflow or a developer eager to integrate design ideas into a live project, this guide is for you. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to have your Figma project open and ready. Once you've done that, press Ctrl+K to bring up the Actions panel. This panel is your hub for accessing various plugins and features in Figma, so it's a good tool to get familiar with. Now, what you're looking for is the Figma to Webflow option. Simply start typing Figma to Webflow in the search bar, and it should pop up fairly quickly. Once you see it, click on it to start a new run, but before you proceed, you need to connect this plugin to your Webflow account. This connection is essential because it allows the plugin to transfer your design elements directly to Webflow, so go ahead and follow the prompts to link the accounts. With the connection successfully established, the next step is selecting the specific design you want to transfer from your Figma project. Figma's interface is intuitive, so just click on the design you wish to copy. With the selected design highlighted, you'll notice an option to copy it using the Figma to Webflow plugin. Just go ahead and click on Copy. Now that your design is copied, it's time to head over to your Webflow site. Make sure you're logged into your Webflow account and have the appropriate project open, as this is where you'll be pasting your design. Once you're in the right spot, simply use Ctrl+V to paste. This action will transfer your Figma design right onto your Webflow site, allowing you to see it directly integrated into your project. However, it's important to note that sometimes the design might not look exactly as it did in Figma immediately. This is because the structure and styling between the two programs can vary slightly, which occasionally requires some additional tweaking and adjustments in Webflow. Don't be alarmed. This is a common step and a great opportunity to fine-tune your design for the best results on your website. You might need to adjust spacing, font sizes, or other style properties to match your vision perfectly. With a bit of patience, your design will be up and running smoothly, just as you intended. And there you have it. You've just taken a Figma design and successfully copied it to Webflow. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently bring your creative ideas to life on the web. Keep practicing, and in no time, this process will become second nature. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing.